Have you ever been given advice after you just started your channel and asked why you do this or why you do that or why would your audience want to see that? Hey guys, this is an impromptu video. I don't usually film in the truck on this channel. I do it on my other channel, but it's just a little bit annoying, aggravating me. I want to give you the reasons why I generally don't tell any family or friends that I have a channel that whatever, because they think, oh, you're an influencer, you're just trying to be like the Kardashian. I am not. This is an outlet that I hope to actually make something of and carry into retirement to keep my just to keep my interest up and to keep my interest in technology and staying on top of how to do things and to just have a reason to get up every morning besides the mundane housework or dog walking or whatever. This helps keep my skills upright and in tune. And I know some of you others have the same issue. I'm still working at trying to find an audience. I've tried several things. I'd love comments on what might help, but a lot of it comes down to the quality of the video, the length of the video, the topic of the video. I know all that. But if you have the trouble with somebody offering you advice of you're just trying to do this or that, this is really for you. And it centers around the ads for Home Depot, the ads for Lowe's, the ads for Harbor Freight. And the reason I've made so many of those, quite honestly, is because that's what the audience wants and or what the algorithm is sending my videos to. The audience likes that. And I also like tools and I like tool deals and I like that community, and several of those folks that put out these narration videos I really enjoy, and I can only assume that the rest of you do too. So that's one of the things that I tried to explain to the person that was asking me. I'm going to leave them unnamed. Of course, I'm unnamed on here. I enjoy watching those versus reading the ad. Of course, anyone can go out to Harbor Freight, Home Depot, Lowe's, Ace, Amazon. We can all go there. It's kind of mundane. It's kind of boring. You have to flip through things. The purpose of these videos is to bring some of those ads to life. So to get a person, a real person's perspective, not a computer. And yes, I know some of the channels are basically computer generated, and that's great if that's what they do and that's what they want to do. I personally like to have at least my voice on it. Sometimes I don't show my face. I am so sorry. And I hope that's okay. Sometimes I might shoot in a store, but sometimes I might just take the ad on my phone or on my computer and start listing things that you may not have saw or you may not have thought about, or I can add a perspective of, hey, I actually own this tool, or I'd like to have this tool and this is a reason why. So that's the reason that I started giving these naysayers, and I believe it's right, but I welcome your comments on this. Many of us watch YouTube like some folks watch The Big Bang Theory. I mean, I watch YouTube and I watch some of my channels. I catch up with people. Some of them are this type of content for tools, some are the do-it-yourself content, which I also share on my channel. Some are weight loss journeys. I mean, some are retirement folks. I mean, I have a varied interest, just like I was watching TV, and I'm convinced that a lot of you do as well. So my wife doesn't even understand it, but she accepts that this is something I want to do and perhaps carry into retirement to keep myself sharp and to keep myself active. I hope that I'm not boring you with this. I hope this reaches the audience that I'm intending. But do you enjoy looking at the flyer, or do you more enjoy someone like myself or the Den of Tools? He is great going over items, giving perspective, not necessarily being paid. You might be getting a commission off a sale or something, but not being paid by a certain company to give you a take on something. If you do, then I'd appreciate a like, subscribe, give me some comments how to continue to grow the channel. It's done marginally well, but the ads are the only thing really pushing. I really like my do-it-yourself content better, but I get what I get, and I'm gonna put some of that in there no matter if somebody watches it or not, because it's an outlet for me. I do hope you enjoyed this, and enjoy the rest of your day, and until the next video, y'all take care.